Hi guys, thank you for watching TENGU Japanese video lesson. Today I am going to teach you how to say good morning in Japanese. And there are different ways of saying good morning in Japanese, so please watch this video until the end and you will learn how to say good morning in Japanese. それでは TENGU Japanese video lesson を始めていきましょう。
Okay, let's start TENGU Japanese for beginners. TENGU 日本語講座を始めていきましょう。As I said, today I'll teach you how to say good morning in Japanese. Good morning in Japanese, we say おはよう、おはよう、おはよう。Okay? It's a very casual way of saying good morning. And if you want to say more polite way, you say おはようございます。おはよう plus ございます。おはようございます。Okay? Now, おはよう is less polite than おはようございます。Since the former is an abbreviation, and an abbreviated form is generally casual because it requires less effort. おはようございます is literally translated as you are early. Now we can also say おは、おは、おは. Okay, this is very, very casual. Okay? Now there are different ways to say good morning in Japanese. Depends on which state you go. It's more like a Japanese slang. Okay? Good morning. If you go to Kyoto, they say おはようさん、おはようさん、おはようさん. So if you say good morning to like Japanese Maiko people, they say おはようさん、おはようさん, you know? But if you go to Tokyo, they don't really use that kind of saying good morning in Japanese, okay? And if you go to Okinawa, they say ukimisochi, ukimisochi, ukimisochi. Now, if you say that, if you go to Tokyo and then say this ukimisochi, Tokyo people don't really understand what you are saying. So if you just go to Okinawa, then you can use ukimisochi, but not in Tokyo or other states, okay? And if you go to Shizuoka, where you can see the Mount Fuji, you can say イアンバイです、イアンバイです、イアンバイです、イアンバイです。And if you go to Aichi, you say 早いなも、早いなも、早いなも。Okay? And if you go to Kagoshima, you say こんちゃらごわす、こんちゃらごわす、こんちゃらごわす, which sounds like more like Korean. Okay? But if this good morning, we don't really use that except if you go to Kagoshima. And even Kagoshima people don't really use this kind of saying now. It's more very old ways of saying good morning in Japanese. Konchara gowasu. Okay? That's it for today's lesson. Now, before you go, please subscribe to TENGU Japanese email newsletter and get free Japanese lesson, textbooks, audio files, and you can also watch the free Japanese video lesson to learn how to speak Japanese for real communication. I'll put the link in the description box on YouTube or click the link below. Thank you very much for watching. 天狗日本語講座をご覧いただきありがとうございました。それではまた次回。さようなら。